Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try on this wig. It's color 30 and white. The client of mine who suggested this color for me because there's a twisting that I shared with you some few weeks ago. It was color 30 and white. She loved the color but she wanted it to be in a box braid. So I'm just going to try it on and comment down below if you love this color and if you love this style as well. So most of my clients ask me if when I tell them the prices and they really want to know the difference between the one that has a closure and the one that doesn't have a closure. So like this one right here, it doesn't have a closure. I just braided on the lace knit, and the one that has a closure I've used human hair. I've used like a small human hair closure on the parting. Yeah, so this one doesn't have a closure. So just comment down below guys if you love this color.
Like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
That was it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. So just comment down below if you love this color, if you love this style. If you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.